it's Alex. Oof. And I thought I'd just give an update on the unit, how it's going. I've actually been here all day today by myself. I've quite enjoyed it. I've had the music on, I've just been cracking on. So I've put loads of insulation up here, up the top, shoved in all the cracks there. Jay's going to put some wood across this concrete at some point. But I've tucked insulation in there, shoved some leftover wood in there. All that's got insulation behind it. I put some offcuts of wood I'd left over up there, and I've shoved insulation behind that, because we're not going to go full wood all the way at the top. Maybe in the future, but for now we just wanted wood down here, so maybe we can hang some stuff off it and it's a bit warmer. And again, random bit of wood, it's just in there, it's not like tight or anything, you can kick it and stuff. It's just leftover wood. I thought, well, I might as well just shove it wherever, pardon you, and I've masked it all up because moo indeed. I am going to try and paint this now. It's a bit cold, but it says paint above 5 degrees, and I think it is just about 5 degrees. It's inside, so it's not going to go frosty in here. I've chosen blue slate, mainly because that wall there looks like blue slate, and I kind of want it to match. And that was only a tenner in Homebase, because Homebase is closing down now. So I got the paint reduced. So yeah, I'm just going to slap some paint on. It's not got to look amazing, is it? Because it'll probably end up covered in metal signs and tools and things. I've been trying to sweep up all the cow poo that's coming through. They've cleared it from the other side. So they're going to seal it from that side. Sounds like there's some cows over there in a minute though. And this tractor needs to go. We've got an old hoover. We're going to hoover up all this dust. Can you see it? Just loads and loads of concrete dust. So we'll hoover all that up once the tractor's gone and the poo's gone. And then we can seal the floor. I've got some special stuff. I'll show it to you if I can. Here we are in the boot. In the boot of the marina, we have, there you go, concrete hardener and dust proofer. Good. Fed up with dust. So we've got 2 bottles of that. Hopefully it's enough to cover that floor, or at least most of it. Martin, who's got a unit over there, he is actually a little bit, I think maybe jealous, because he put wood up, but he didn't put any insulation up, and he never painted his floor, so he's just living with all that dust. And yeah, I don't want to live with dust. It gets everywhere. Look at the state of my boots. They were red, or maroon, but yeah, they're not not good. Shut the boot down. I'm waiting for Jay to come back actually. That's his Skoda there. He's blocking me in. He's meant to be bringing me an old jacket because I'm worried about getting my clothes covered in paint. But I can make a start. And see what mess I can make.
Put the broom down. Have you got the paint thing on the one end and the broom's on the other? Yeah. I've never seen that, that's ace. What a great idea.
You wouldn't be able to cope with that, would you?
Oh my god, it'd still be wet and I'll be brooming and
You wouldn't be
down
able
the
to
back.
cope with double window.
Look at it.
Hey! I've never touched wood in my life.
Have you not?
I've never rolled in my life
not right.
either. I've never used one of these.
I heard you with the wood whisperer.
Really?
Okay, I'll see you, you need to get a shout. Right.
Thanks, Jay.
Looking great.
Bye. I'll send you a photo.
Okay.
silly me, I was going to film to show you what I've done, but I've turned the lights off now and my glasses are steaming up and I've probably got lots of paint on my face, I'm not sure. But right, let me unhook you here. There we go, I can show you what I've done. So I've painted all the wood, well, I say all the wood, as you can see over here. Unfortunately, I ran out of paint and I realised quite early on, so I made sure I did 2 coats of paint on this bit. So this has had 2 coats of the cuprinol stuff, and that one I've just done the edges. So when I get some more paint, I can come and roller that piece there, do a couple of coats on it. But I'm really happy with how it's looking. I've done a few little bits of wood there, down there. You know, I'm not going to paint all that wood up there. We'll leave that a woody colour, you know. The concrete at the bottom, I probably will paint at some point, but I don't know what colour. Yeah, think about that one. This is a lot lighter than I expected. I was expecting it to be that dark. Oh, I keep treading in the cow poo. Stop treading in the cow poo. It's nearly gone. I'm just sort of waiting for it to dry up, really. I've got the marina running out there. So I've got to go in there. Oh, don't want that flashing at me. I've got to go and put this power away, the power reel, because that's not mine. And I'll go home. I've been here all day. I've been here since, I'm going to say like 11 o'clock. And it's now 7 o'clock. It took me all that time. My arms are killing me, but I'm really happy with how it's come along. So I'm going to leave that now until I get the new paint for there. And then they need to get rid of this tractor and the cow poo. And I can paint the floor. Woohoo! Right, Marley's lighting the way. There's the power cable, if you can see it on the floor, goes all the way down there. Thanks for watching. Bye!